Alright guys, you're welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is the first time you're coming out to our channel, I say very big welcome to you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to enable you see new videos whenever we come up with new thing for you, okay? That's why we in here. And at the same time, if you're a returning subscriber, we say a very big welcome. Without you guys, there will be no Austin Global. Alright, so we love you all. Don't forget that we sell skincare, organic material items, such as cosmetic, cosmetic ingredients, and as well any of the materials for premixing or organic items, and they are all original. When I mean original, trust me. A lot of you like kind of consider should I buy from him or not? Just give it a try and you see. And don't forget also we ship everywhere. Wherever you are, we ship them to you. You're in the US, UK, Canada, Europe, Asia country, or any of the Africa country, we always ship them to you. That's what we know best in doing. And don't forget also I've told you this that we have Austin Global Logistic, so those are some of the services we render also. Whatever you want to ship to any of the country or transport to anywhere, we do that for you. All right, you can always patronize us. Today I have a lot to talk about. I just want to for that reason I just want to minimize it and talk about one thing, and not other than black soap. You all be hearing a black soap, but you don't know how come black soap, do you? No, you don't know how come black soap, but I want to tell you black soap actually originated from Africa, and up on the way back that we be using black soap. Our fathers, our forefathers, they be using all these our like it's been old school. That's what I be trying to tell you. It's not something of today. And can you just imagine, up in the way back when all this contended soap hasn't been yet, we be using black soap. And how do we do it? Do you want to know about how you do black soap? You can shut me up on my private line, or this line also, regular line, or this line on your WhatsApp, you see it on the screen, right? But that's not what we in here to talk about. I want to tell you the benefit of the black soap and how to use it also. So now this black soap, let me show you. All right. Now this black soap you've seen, I don't know if you've seen proper. This black soap right now I want to tell you about is a really a moisturizer, and also we have the whitening one of it also. A lot of people also they be doing whitening black soap, but let's talk about this particular one. You know what I mean? This particular one, I want to tell you the origin, how it started, like when people up in the way back they be doing this black soap. It's been done it's been obtained from these ashes, and we got those ashes from plantain leaf. I mean, a plantain. What I mean, the back of the plantain, right? Okay, the back of the plantain, right? So, and way back when they be doing this thing, it's be working up to date, and it's be working because it's still the same the process they be using, and we use up to now. Haven't know that the plantain contain a lot of iron, and as a matter of fact, you know what it does in your skin, your body. So I want to make you understand that every element that of vitamins that plantain contains, so also the soap contain, and getting it in as much that it's been processed. Nothing really changed from it. You know what I mean? And again, I want to make you understand that this is the best soap that you can always count on, irrespective of other soap that we'll be seeing right now contending with this one. This is the best soap you can always boast of at any time, and how to use it. All right. We have the whitening one of it. We have other type of it, but this one, once you use this, let me tell you, it moisturizes your skin perfectly. It moisturize your skin, and it take away every blemishes. It take away eczema. It take away any fine line in your body, in your skin. It take away all those that, and take away every melasma. You can name it. Every condition and unconditioned diseases in your skin, all right? Because it's something that always happen in the people's body. Because sometimes people ask me, hey, how did you know all this? Because you have to do research. Despite we produce this, you have to do research, right? A lot of people, there are some diseases in your skin today, they are not conditional, right? They'll be thinking, oh, this is conditional. No, we have conditional disease and unconditional disease in the skin, all right? Which you know. I'll be telling you about that. So this black soap will take them off. And then again, I'll tell you, because the language they often use, that it exfoliates the skin, you know, because if you're using a soap, what kind of soap do you use? You use all the time. What's the essence of you using a soap if it can moisturize your body or exfoliate your skin? So I mean, so there's no point, all right? So that's the more reason I'll tell you, you go for this black soap, and you can only get this original in few places. A lot of people, they be having this black soap in their shop, their stores. I know a lot of people who say they say this black soap, you know, that people still buy from there and complain. But I ain't gonna say that, you know, that is not good. Apparently, might be the way you use it. But those people, I tell you, they know how to do it also. So you can still buy from them. In other words, you can still buy from me, because I have the original. In as much as I have the original, I have the original too. The only way it's not gonna work when it's not original. When you use a black soap and it giving you rashes on your skin, giving you some of that, or making you dark instead of moisturizing you. Oh, Abuja sunfly, what the heck? You want to burn my skin? Don't. I mean, anyway, my skin is my own skin is I would like to say it's quite different. So you can mess my skin up. You can pressure me. Go ahead and pressure me. All this Abuja sunflower. Anyway, back to what we we're saying. So I tell you, talk about this. Buy this soap and use it, and see the enjoyment that everybody be getting for those using black soap. There's an enjoyment on black soap. Use black soap, you will enjoy it. All right? It's not going to cause you any side effect. The only side effect when it's going to cause you, that should be fake black soap. You know what I mean? When it's not well processed. Because the truth is, there are some black soap, if they are not well processed, it's going to cost you a lot damages in your skin. You know what I mean? So talk about it. I just want to leave you with this information. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel so that you can be getting beauty tips and all that in your skincare routine. All right? Right now, I'm about leaving you, but then again, I remind you, we ship everywhere. Any of the item you need, we ship everywhere. Yes, you want to buy your organic skincare materials, or you want to buy cosmetic, we ship everywhere. And for those of you who can ship, you can also contact us so that we can help you ship to your customer everywhere, worldwide, except Libya. Yes, I haven't shipped to Libya once, and I don't want to ship to Libya also. But if you have any way you can take it to ship to Libya, okay, all right? So we appreciate you all. Thanks. Bye-bye.